Could there be a special meal to clear your arteries from plaque? Stay tuned and learn about it. Hello dear friends, and welcome back to Levitas, your #1 trusted information source for weight loss, health, and wellness insights. Today, we're diving into a topic that is crucial for anyone concerned about heart health and overall wellness: the best meal to clear out your arteries. This video will provide a comprehensive look into atherosclerosis, its causes, and the nutrients and foods that can help combat this condition. Let's get started. What is atherosclerosis? Atherosclerosis is a condition where the arteries become narrowed and hardened due to a buildup of plaque. Plaque is made up of fat, cholesterol, calcium, and other substances found in the blood. Over time, this plaque can restrict blood flow and lead to serious cardiovascular problems. How does atherosclerosis happen? The real causes. To understand how to clear out your arteries, it's essential to grasp how atherosclerosis develops. It starts with damage to the endothelium, the inner lining of your arteries. This damage can be caused by chronic inflammation, high blood pressure, smoking, or high levels of cholesterol. Once the endothelium is damaged, LDL particles, known as low-density lipoproteins, enter the artery wall, leading to the formation of a fatty streak. As the immune system responds to this invasion, white blood cells called macrophages consume the LDL particles, transforming into foam cells. These foam cells accumulate, creating a fatty streak which eventually becomes plaque. Plaque can harden and narrow your arteries, restricting blood flow. Inflammation plays a critical role in this process, making it a vicious cycle of damage and response. What are LDL particles, ApoA, and ApoB? Understanding LDL particles, ApoA, and ApoB is vital. LDL particles, often referred to as bad cholesterol, are lipoproteins that carry cholesterol to your arteries. High levels of LDL can lead to plaque buildup. ApoA, also known as apolipoprotein A, is a component of HDL, or high-density lipoprotein, known as the good cholesterol. HDL helps remove cholesterol from your arteries. Conversely, ApoB, also known as apolipoprotein B, is a primary protein in LDL and is essential for its role in plaque formation. Managing the balance between ApoA and ApoB is crucial for maintaining arterial health. What does atherosclerosis mean to human health? Atherosclerosis can have severe implications for your health. It increases the risk of heart attacks, strokes, and peripheral artery disease. Reduced blood flow can lead to chest pain known as angina, shortness of breath, and even heart failure. The condition can also affect other parts of your body, causing complications such as kidney disease or erectile dysfunction. What is the population at risk of atherosclerosis? Certain groups are more at risk of developing atherosclerosis. These include individuals with high blood pressure, high cholesterol, diabetes, obesity, and a sedentary lifestyle. Smokers and those with a family history of heart disease are also at increased risk. Age and gender play roles too, with men generally at higher risk at an earlier age compared to women. What nutrients reduce atherosclerosis? To combat atherosclerosis, it's essential to focus on nutrients that promote arterial health. These include omega-3 fatty acids. Found in fatty fish like salmon, mackerel, and sardines, omega-3s reduce inflammation and lower triglyceride levels. Vitamin K2. Vitamin K2 is a fat-soluble vitamin that is part of the vitamin K family, which also includes vitamin K1. While vitamin K1 is primarily known for its role in blood clotting, vitamin K2 has a unique function in bone and heart health. K2 is found in aged cheeses such as Gouda, Brie, cheddar, and egg yolks, for example. Fiber. Soluble fiber, flax seeds, veggies, and low-sugar fruits, helps reduce LDL cholesterol. Antioxidants. There include vitamin C, found in sauerkraut and lemons, and E, found in eggs, fruits and vegetables, protect against oxidative stress and inflammation. Polyphenols. These compounds, found in dark chocolate, berries, and green tea, improve endothelial function and reduce inflammation. Monounsaturated fats. Avocados, nuts, and olive oil are rich in these fats, which can help reduce LDL cholesterol and increase HDL cholesterol. What is vitamin K2? Vitamin K2 is a fat-soluble vitamin that is part of the vitamin K family. K2 has a unique function in bone and heart health. It's less known but incredibly powerful in ensuring that calcium is utilized correctly in the body. Effects of vitamin K2. Vitamin K2's primary role involves the activation of proteins that regulate where calcium ends up in your body. These proteins are: matrix Glar protein or MGP prevents calcium from depositing in your arteries and soft tissues. Osteocalcin helps bind calcium to your bones, ensuring they remain strong and healthy. By activating these proteins, vitamin K2 helps guide calcium to the right places, like your bones and teeth, while preventing it from settling in places where it could cause harm, like your arteries. Since atherosclerosis involves the buildup of plaque in your arteries, leading to their narrowing and hardening, a crucial aspect of plaque formation is the deposition of calcium, which can turn your arteries rigid. Vitamin K2 combats this by activating MGP, which inhibits the calcification of arteries. Research shows that adequate vitamin K2 intake is associated with a reduced risk of arterial calcification and cardiovascular disease. By keeping calcium out of your arteries, vitamin K2 helps maintain arterial flexibility and promotes healthy blood flow, significantly lowering the risk of atherosclerosis. Calcium is vital for many bodily functions, including bone health, muscle function, and nerve signaling. However, when calcium is mismanaged and ends up in your arteries rather than your bones, it can lead to serious health issues like atherosclerosis and osteoporosis. This meticulous regulation of calcium metabolism is crucial for preventing arterial calcification and promoting overall cardiovascular health. What foods have vitamin K2? Getting enough vitamin K2 from your diet is essential for reaping its cardiovascular benefits. Here are some foods rich in vitamin K2. Natto, a traditional Japanese dish made from fermented soybeans. It's one of the richest sources of vitamin K2. Cheese, particularly aged cheeses such as Gouda, Brie, and Cheddar. Egg yolks. Eggs from chickens that are free-range or pasture-raised tend to have higher vitamin K2 levels. Butter. Grass-fed butter is a good source. Chicken, especially dark meat and liver. Fermented foods. Foods like sauerkraut, kimchi, and kefir can also provide vitamin K2. So, to ensure you're getting enough vitamin K2, try to incorporate these foods into your daily diet. For example, breakfast. Add a slice of cheese or a serving of natto to your morning meal. Lunch. Include a portion of chicken or a salad topped with grass-fed butter or cheese. Dinner. Opt for dishes that include fermented foods like kimchi or sauerkraut. By integrating these foods into your meals, you can support your cardiovascular health and ensure proper calcium metabolism. Incorporating the right foods into your diet is key. Meds for atherosclerosis and their side effects. Medications are often prescribed to manage atherosclerosis, but remember that anything that is made in a lab has side effects to your health. These meds include statins. Lower LDL cholesterol but can cause muscle pain, liver damage, and increased blood sugar. Aspirin. Reduces blood clotting but can cause gastrointestinal bleeding and ulcers. ACE inhibitors. Lower blood pressure but can cause cough, elevated blood potassium levels, which can lead to heart problems and kidney dysfunction. Beta blockers. Reduce heart rate and blood pressure but can cause fatigue, cold hands, and depression. Atherosclerosis prevention. Preventing atherosclerosis involves a combination of dietary changes, regular exercise, and lifestyle modifications. Key strategies include eating a heart-healthy food plan. Focus on fruits, vegetables, leafy greens, high-quality proteins, and healthy fats. Regular physical activity. Aim for at least 150 minutes of moderate aerobic activity or 75 minutes of vigorous activity per week. Maintaining a healthy weight. Achieve and maintain a healthy weight through diet and exercise. Not smoking. Avoid smoking and exposure to second-hand smoke. Managing stress. Practice stress-reducing techniques like meditation, yoga, and deep breathing exercises. Regular health checkups. Monitor blood pressure, cholesterol levels, and other health indicators regularly. In conclusion and to summarize today's video, atherosclerosis is a condition characterized by the narrowing and hardening of arteries due to plaque buildup, composed of fat, cholesterol, calcium, and other substances found in the blood. This progressive disease can severely restrict blood flow, leading to significant cardiovascular complications such as heart attacks, strokes, and peripheral artery disease. Understanding how atherosclerosis happens is crucial. The process begins with damage to the endothelium, the inner lining of arteries, often caused by high blood pressure, smoking, or elevated cholesterol levels. This damage allows LDL particles, often referred to as bad cholesterol, to penetrate the artery wall. In response, the immune system sends white blood cells called macrophages to consume the LDL particles, transforming into foam cells. These foam cells accumulate, forming a fatty streak that evolves into hardened plaque, narrowing the arteries and restricting blood flow. Inflammation exacerbates this cycle, continuously damaging and clogging the arteries. Key players in cholesterol management include LDL particles, ApoA, and ApoB. LDL carries cholesterol to the arteries, while HDL, which contains ApoA, helps remove cholesterol from the arteries. ApoB is a primary protein in LDL and plays a critical role in plaque formation. Balancing these elements is essential for maintaining arterial health. Atherosclerosis significantly impacts human health by increasing the risk of severe cardiovascular events and other complications, including kidney disease and erectile dysfunction. Populations at higher risk include individuals with high blood pressure, high cholesterol, diabetes, obesity, and sedentary lifestyles, as well as smokers and those with a family history of heart disease. Men generally face higher risks at earlier ages compared to women. To combat atherosclerosis, it is essential to focus on nutrients that promote arterial health. These include omega-3 fatty acids, found in fatty fish like salmon and mackerel. These reduce inflammation and lower triglyceride levels. Vitamin K2. This vitamin plays a unique role in bone and heart health by activating proteins that regulate calcium deposition, preventing calcium from settling in arteries. Foods rich in vitamin K2 include natto, aged cheeses, egg yolks, grass-fed butter, and fermented foods. Fiber. Soluble fiber, found in seeds like flax or chia, and fruits, helps reduce LDL cholesterol. Antioxidants. Vitamins C and E, found in fruits and vegetables, protect against oxidative stress and inflammation. Polyphenols, found in dark chocolate, berries, and green tea. These compounds improve endothelial function and reduce inflammation. Monounsaturated fats. Avocados, nuts, and olive oil help reduce LDL cholesterol and increase HDL cholesterol. Vitamin K2 is particularly noteworthy for its role in preventing arterial calcification and maintaining cardiovascular health. It activates matrix GLA protein, which inhibits calcium deposition in arteries, and osteocalcin, which helps bind calcium to bones. By ensuring calcium is directed to the right places, vitamin K2 helps maintain arterial flexibility and promote healthy blood flow, significantly reducing the risk of atherosclerosis. A healthy food plan rich in these nutrients is crucial for cardiovascular health. Incorporating foods such as ground flax with berries, salmon salad, apples with almonds, quinoa and vegetable stir-fry, and dark chocolate with green tea can support arterial health and proper calcium metabolism. While medications like statins, aspirin, ACE inhibitors, and beta blockers are often prescribed to manage atherosclerosis, they come with potential side effects, including muscle pain, gastrointestinal issues, and increased blood sugar levels. Therefore, prevention through dietary changes, regular exercise, and lifestyle modifications remains paramount. Preventive strategies include eating a heart-healthy diet rich in fruits, vegetables, high-quality proteins, and healthy fats, engaging in regular physical activity, maintaining a healthy weight, avoiding smoking, managing stress through techniques like meditation and yoga, and undergoing regular health checkups to monitor blood pressure, cholesterol levels, and other health indicators. So, understanding atherosclerosis and the critical role of nutrients like vitamin K2 in preventing and managing this condition can significantly enhance cardiovascular health and overall well-being. Integrating these dietary and lifestyle practices can help maintain arterial health and reduce the risk of severe cardiovascular diseases. Thank you for tuning into Levitas. If you found this video helpful and informative, be sure to share it with your friends and family. Give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to receive notifications for future videos on weight loss, health, and fitness content. Also, leave a comment sharing your questions, thoughts, and experiences with today's subject. We love hearing from you. Your support is very appreciated. It helps us grow and create even more content for empowering you to achieve a better body and optimal health every week. Remember to fuel your body with the right nutrients, stay consistent with your training, and keep striving for your fitness goals. Until next time, remain tuned to Levitas for more expert advice to help you on your health and fitness journey. So, stay healthy, stay happy, and keep going.